It's time to start.
Rock concert movement number 1. The basic head bob. Ready, go.
In Western music, we have to give credit to your people, the Greeks. In Western music, we have what's called a major scale. And in a full scale, C major scale in this case, you have what's called an octave. How many of you guys have had some musical training? Yeah? Those of you that have music training, you have a little bit of advantage. Those of you who haven't, that's okay. So anyways, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Wow, that's painful. Do. So from a do to a do, 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 a dia. That's called an octave because there are 8 notes, right? What's the prefix oct mean? Octagon has 8 sides, octopus has 8 legs, etc. So to go from one octave, a C4, that's a 4C up on a piano, to a C5, there's 8 white keys, and it's special. Here's what's cool about an octave. An octave is exactly twice the frequency, which is why it sounds nice to the human ear. So suppose I say that this is 100 hertz, which it's not. I'll just pick an easy number. What would then 1 octave higher be, a C5? It would be 200 hertz. In real life, one way of tuning it is it's 264 hertz for a C4. So what would a C5 be? It would just be what? It would be double that. Careful, 264 times 2 is, I can't do that in my head. That's okay, I'll look at the chart, 528. Now, the Greek scale was developed using whole number ratios. It's called the just diatonic scale. So that's the secret. That's the secret sauce. Don't write it down, because the Greek way is good, and it got us going, but it's actually not quite right. And the reason why is, it's okay, we like Greeks, they're awesome, they came with a lot of good stuff, good food, I'm hungry now. But to go from a C4 to a C5, there are 8 steps. What you do is you multiply by whole number ratios to go up. They are 9/8, 5/4, 4/3, 3/2, 5/3, 15/8, and 2. The nice thing about it is they're just nice, easy numbers. The bad thing is you got to memorize them. But if you think about it, it kind of makes sense to go from a C to a D, from do, a dia, a female dia, to re, a golden drop of sun, to go up an eighth of the way up. It's 9/8 the frequency. So you take 264 hertz, you multiply it by 9/8, you get 297 hertz. You see that? Now the problem with the just diatonic scale is it actually doesn't work as you get low on the keyboard and high on the keyboard. It breaks down. So it's a little bit out of tune.